Hi, I'm James Hughes, ATG Senior Technical Specialist, here with this week's free online training offerings. On Tuesday, our reality capture experts will present a crash course of their workflow from photo capture to final Civil 3D drawings. Join us Wednesday for an MEP Town Hall Pack with ATG and industry MEP experts to discuss overcoming daily challenges while working remotely. This is an open forum and your chance to get all of your MEP questions answered for free. Thursday, our MEP experts are back at it discussing best practices for organizing sheets within MEP projects. Later in the day, if you're a BIM manager, you won't want to miss our top tips for template file management. Finally, on Thursday evening, we are hosting a virtual Civil 3D user group detailing the Autodesk connector for ArcGIS to manage underground utilities for design and asset management purposes. Register for these events in the links above, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for 24/7 access to top-notch technical content.